Want to create original rap songs with Suno AI? Whether you're making hip-hop tracks for YouTube, social media, or just experimenting with AI music, Suno AI can generate rap songs in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create rap songs in Suno AI in 2026, so let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website or open the mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click or tap the Create button to start a new project. If you're new to Suno AI, you can create a free account before continuing. Now type a prompt describing the rap song you want to create. Include details such as the mood, beat style, tempo, vocal delivery, instruments, and the overall theme. The more specific your prompt is, the more personalized your results can be. Yeah, you could try something like a modern hip-hop track with a hard-hitting trap beat, confident male vocals, catchy hooks, and motivational lyrics about success. If you've already written rap lyrics, enable the custom lyrics option and paste them into the editor. Otherwise, let Suno AI generate lyrics based on your prompt. I mean, writing your own verses gives you much more control over the message and flow. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button. Suno AI will create one or more rap song variations based on your prompt and lyrics. Take a moment while your music is being generated. Play each version and compare the results. If you'd like a different sound, edit your prompt by changing the beat, vocal style, mood, or lyrical theme, then generate another version. Even small prompt adjustments can completely change the feel of your rap song. Your completed songs are automatically saved to your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share them with others using a public link or download your tracks. So, you've successfully created your own rap song with Suno AI. And that's how to create rap songs in Suno AI. By combining detailed prompts with creative lyrics and experimenting with different beats and styles, you can produce unique AI-generated hip-hop tracks in just minutes. I mean, the more you refine your prompts, the better your songs will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.